Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify two-factor authentication with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify two-factor authentication with Amazon, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Amazon website. Log into your Amazon account using your email address and password. Once logged in, go to the Accounts and Lists section at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Next, locate the Login and Security option and click on it. You may need to re-enter your password for security purposes. In the Login and Security section, look for the two-step verification, 2SV, settings line. Click on the Edit button next to it. If two-factor authentication is not yet enabled, you'll see an option to enable it. Click on Get Started to begin the setup process. Amazon will prompt you to choose a method for receiving your authentication codes. You can select either an authentication app or SMS for receiving your codes. If you choose the authentication app, install one if you haven't already. Once installed, scan the QR code displayed on your screen using the authentication app. If you opt for SMS, enter your mobile phone number and click Send Code. You will receive a verification code via your chosen method. Enter the code in the provided space on the Amazon page. Click Verify Code to confirm your two-factor authentication setup. Once verified, you can choose whether to remember this device for future logins. After completing the setup, Amazon will display a confirmation message. Your two-factor authentication is now activated, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Whenever you log in from a new device, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code. Ensure that your authentication app or phone is readily accessible for seamless logins. That's how you can successfully verify two-factor authentication on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.